We're good. Hey guys, good evening. Been promising you this video for a couple of days, and it has been kind of insane back here. As you can see, we're back in the what we call it, receiving room or paperwork room or ATF room or
the back office.
Back office. The dungeon.
Yes.
Solitary. Only time you get to see anybody is if you're going to the bathroom. So anyway, we've been promising you for a couple of days that we're going to have an unboxing video on the D3 Defense silencers, and we're going to do it. I'm getting around to trying to log some in now. Getting ready to get started logging them in. So we got got one of the cans sitting here in the box and all the paperwork, and we're going to unbox this one together and take a look at it and see what you think. But before we do that, tonight we got what is hopefully some really good news. Really good news. You guys have heard me talk about TFA, GOA. They're the guys fighting for us. They're the guys out there getting things done. Well, yesterday, 3-judge panel ruled on the case out of Gibson County here on the intent to go armed and on the carrying of arms on public greenways or parks. We all know that those are unconstitutional, even dangerous. We know we have multiple Supreme Court decisions, especially Bruin, that said, no, you can't do that. And Tennessee said, well, watch us, we're going to. We don't care. A 3-judge panel cared and ruled pretty adamantly in favor of TFA and the citizens of the state of Tennessee that want their freedom, which puts us one major step closer to have a real constitutional carry. There's a lot to be talked about to break this down. We're not going to do all that tonight, but just know one more victory. It was TFA and GOA working together along with the Gun Owners Foundation here in Tennessee through the courts in Gibson County that secured this win. So now let's get back to what we're talking about. D3 Defense. Out of Pennington, Texas. This is the packaging. If you guys can see that. Very similar to the packaging that's used by a couple of other companies, such as Rugged or...
is it Resilient?
Maybe.
Yeah.
But anyway,
But
nice tube. Yeah, it's irrelevant. Nice tube. Cans held in the tube. Simple packaging. Blah, blah, blah. D3 Defense Voodoo Series. This is a 36. This is a 36 caliber can. We chose to go with 36 to begin with because at the moment it's the biggest one they offer. It gives us the ability to test it on a lot of different things, and to even adapt it down and put it on a handgun or 9mm carbine. Gives us lots of things we can do with it. The fact that it's hub compatible, we could even drop a 3-lug hub device in here and run it on stuff like the little MP5s and so forth that we got sitting around. But let's take a look inside the box. It just pulls off, makes a cool noise. And we look inside the box. It's not a bunch of unnecessary fluff and stuff to get in the way. We got a box and we got a suppressor.
What more do you need?
Okay. This one's a. It's not one of the titaniums. It's a stainless steel, so it's not exactly a lightweight. But we knew that when we ordered it. We had the choice between stainless or titanium. We decided to go with the heavier can for now. We want to get them in and take a look at them. Machining looks good. I don't know if you guys can see. The machining looks nice.
Damn. There you go.
You know, nice lines.
And if you follow them on Facebook, you can actually see they've got videos where the machine's cutting all that in.
For old guys like me, the writing is done well.
Yes.
It's actually big enough I can see it.
I know.
You know, kudos.
Yes, some of them are.
The fact that it is hub compatible is a big deal. They come set up 5/8 24.
Direct thread.
Direct thread, correct. Another neat thing I've seen about these is reading, and we're fixing to look at it here in just a second, is you need no specialty tools with these. 13/16 wrench and a 3/4.
Most people have that in their home.
These aren't that tight in the beginning, so we're just really lucky I was able to just do that. We've been running around trying to find. Got a pretty good sized blast chamber. I guess you guys can see. No?
It's kind of hard to say. Well, the lighting's not wonderful.
Okay, well, trust me, we got a pretty good sized blast chamber.
Yeah.
Which is going to be a really good thing.
Stick your finger down in there. How about that? There you go.
So, I'm not reaching the end of it yet. So for a 6-inch can,
not bad.
Nice sized blast chamber.
Mm-hmm.
You know, even though this is made to be utilitarian, so you don't have to have special tools, it still kind of looks good the way they've done it.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, it's got some aesthetic qualities there. Let's see if I can do this again. Let's take a look at this. This is, of course, our front cap. And, you know, we can take that off. And then you can see it's just a stack of baffles in there. But check this out. Now, I may get myself in trouble here. User serviceable.
Yep. Everybody loves that.
Completely user serviceable.
They do have little notches.
Yeah, so you can line it right back up. And that is going to make this a really nice can. It's going to have a good size. Or I like the size. And simplicity of design. And I was also told, you know, this makes it where if something goes wrong inside the can, if you have baffle strike, you have something like that, you can replace the baffle.
Mm-hmm.
Or if they come up with a better internal system, it's like you could be able to upgrade your can. If something superior come down the pike. So I see a lot there I like.
Can't wait to go shoot one.
Yeah, that's gonna be excuse me. We got a little 308 to go shoot very soon, and a little 358 Winchester. So that might be a good outing to try one of these.
Could be fun.
But anyway, guys, D3 Defense Voodoo Series suppressor. These are the 36 caliber stainless. They do offer a 30 caliber with more coming. There is a titanium version. They will be here in the shop October 10th and 11th. We really look forward to that. So we've had good news tonight. We got to see what I think is going to be a really nice can, really great can. Can't wait to go prove my theory. And as always, God bless America. God bless you.